How we do the configuration? Another book. Here, this is the warehouse structure simplified. Okay, how we define the warehouse structure, how we do the configuration, how we perform some kind of take the decision, where we how to define the hierarchy storage types, pallet, all the like structure. Okay, from basic. These are the for beginners. Okay, these books are beginners. For architect, consultants, anyone can understand easily. Okay, another book. Structure there. Handling unit. Packed inventory management, logistics execution in depth. So how we work with the HUs, handling unit management, how we do the transform the material from one HU, another HU, complex processes. Here I made more easiest way, smoother way to be understood. Another book I have, SAP EWM packaging specification, warehouse task optimization and advanced storage for automated picking, packing and process integration into the in-depth into the extended warehouse management. These are the books. Okay, one more book I want to show you. I will put this cover. These are the cover. So before books, first I take the print out the covers. So the another book is the, because directly book I cannot stuck here, so the cover is easier to be demonstrated. So here we can see this is the in the supply chain management EWM initial stock upload and cutover configuration guide and the process flows in depth. Okay, here in this example we will see okay how we perform the cutover configuration guide, stock upload, initial stock uploads, processes. So you may get back to me, you may reach me via social media. Okay, if you need any guidance, career consultation, any kind of advice, okay, which are in the right way. Okay, so please get back to me. I am ready to help. So today we have seen few of the books, architecture, okay, structure, warehouse, part A, part B, part C, and here we see this. We have the warehouse management monitor, more in-depth configuration, theoretical level, how we do enhancements, customizations, configuration, theoretical. Here we can see simplified configuration guide, process flow for the warehouse structure, okay, architecture structure, and here we have the HU master data, handling unit management master data, okay, guide, where I cover the pack, inventory management and logistics execution in depth. And here we see packaging specification, warehouse task optimization, advanced strategy, automatic picking, packing and process integrations. Okay, so here we can see initial stock upload, cutover activity configurations. Okay, and these are the very important books. Okay, if you want, then you can get back to me. Thank you very much guys. See you once again.